Why waste time in commute and spend a lot of money for NEET UG coaching? Parents, do you want your kids to achieve top scores in NEET? India's leading online NEET coaching, 100% success. NEET UG. TeenEinstein.com. At TeenEinstein, we focus on NEET coaching from Class 6 to Class 12. We think you'll like it. Our teachers are mostly PhDs in physics, maths, chemistry, botany and zoology with lots of years of teaching experience for Class 6 to Class 12. Thousands of videos, quiz, MCQs. We provide a daily worksheet of 30 questions on each topic: math, physics, chemistry and biology for rigorous practice, concept understanding, evaluation, quizzes and thousands of videos. Limited offer, 40,000 per year. Book your class. TeenEinstein.com. Contact 99402 49720.
Hello students, welcome to the PYQ discussions on NEET UG papers. Here we are going to solve a problem from NEET UG paper 2020, and this particular question was set in the re-exam paper during the COVID period. Let us try to understand the problem given over here and solve it. The question says 3 stars A, B, C have surface temperatures TA, TB and TC respectively. Star A appears blue, so A is blue. B appears reddish, B red, and C yellow. Okay, so you have to find out among these 4 relations which relation actually is representing the correct temperatures of the correct relation among the temperatures. Okay, which option is actually telling you the correct relation of the temperatures of the stars. Okay, see, for solving this problem you need to just recollect the wind's displacement law, that is given as lambda m into t. That means when the intensity of the radiation is plotted against the wavelength for various temperatures, you will see, suppose this is temperature T1 and this is the curve for temperature T2. So you will see for this curve lambda m into t, that means the area, you can say the area under the curve remains always constant. Okay, constant k. That means lambda m. What is lambda m? Lambda m is the wavelength corresponding to the highest value of the intensity of the radiation at this particular temperature. Okay, at that particular temperature, if you get the peak, so the corresponding wavelength is the lambda m, and into t, that is constant. So lambda m, that means the maximum intensity. Okay, maximum intensity and the wavelength corresponding to the maximum intensity and the temperature, they are actually inversely proportional to each other. Okay, inversely proportional to each other. That means the wavelength or the color we see, due to wavelength only, right? So if you see greater wavelength, then temperature will be actually less. If you see lesser wavelength, then the temperature is more. Okay, so blue, this blue color actually have wavelength in the range around 450 to 495 nanometer. Okay, this has wavelength in this range, and maximum wavelength will be anywhere in between. Okay, and red has wavelength something like this, 620 nanometer to 700 or 750 nanometer, say. Okay, so the lambda m for the red color will be in between this. Okay, 600 to 700 you say, and this will be actually 570 to 580 nanometer. This is the range for yellow light. So if the wavelength is less, the temperature will be more, right? So what will be the sequence in this case, temperature sequence? If I say TA, then TB, and then TC. See, TC, that is the yellow light, okay, that has least, no, not least, the medium, okay, the wavelength will be in medium length. So medium length means temperature also will be in the medium case, okay. So what is the color which has least wavelength is the blue. That means the temperature of blue, that is A, TA, is going to be going to have the greatest temperature of the star. And then you have yellow, so TC, that will be thereafter, and the temperature of the yellow star will be again further greater than the temperature of the red star. So TA greater than TC greater than TB. This will be the relation. Let us see. TA, TC greater than TB. Okay, so this option D will be the correct answer for this question. I hope you have understood this. Thank you.
A lot of money for iitjee coaching. Parents, do you want your kids to achieve top scores in iitjee? India's leading online NEET coaching 100% success iitjee. At TeenEinstein, we focus on iitjee coaching from class 6 to class 12. We think you'll like it. Our teachers are mostly PhDs in physics, maths, chemistry, botany, and zoology, with lots of years of teaching experience for class 6 to class 12. Thousands of videos, quiz, MCQs. We provide a daily worksheet of 30 questions on each topic: math, physics, chemistry, and biology, for rigorous practice, concept understanding, evaluation, quiz, and thousands of videos. Limited offer 40,000 rupees per year. Book your class. TeenEinstein.com.